Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight in 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, updated. Park on level ground and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly from the engine bay access or through the wheel well. Remove any clips or screws holding the access panel, then carefully unplug the connector and twist out the old bulb to swap with the new one. When accessing the bulb, loosen the wheel well liner or remove the plastic access cover to gain room. Use a screwdriver or trim tool to remove fasteners, then gently pull the liner back to expose the headlight rear. Identify the bulb connector and press the retaining tab while pulling the connector straight out. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it and set it on a clean cloth to avoid oils or scratches. Hold the new bulb by its base and align the tabs with the socket, then twist until it seats securely. Reconnect the wiring harness and briefly reconnect the negative battery terminal to test low and high beams and adjust if needed. Once verified, disconnect battery, reattach the access panel or wheel well liner, tighten all fasteners, and restore the battery connection, ensuring everything is snug and your headlight aims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.